The 2008 Jeep JK, definitely not known for being a race car, definitely not known for its high performance engine with the 3.8 liter motor in it, but I am super stoked because I just got this, the HiKeit X9 throttle performance controller. Now, this is supposed to absolutely wake up that Jeep JK back there. Let's get busy, install this thing, and see how it does. This time on my Jeep JK journal. The X9 is a super easy install. The first thing you're going to do is pop off the two panels under the steering wheel. Next, you're going to need to zip off this cover here to make full access of the space in there so you can see what you're doing. Once you've removed the cover, the connector you're looking for is right up against the firewall. I've just connected everything up, two plugs, and it goes in like under 2 minutes once you get to this point. Zip tie the controller up into the wiring loom, and you'll have all this cable which will come out, and you could put the control head anywhere you want. Now, my motto is anything worth doing is worth overdoing, so I decided I'm going to put this control module right there on the dash and run everything under the shifter boot. Now I'm using a short fish tape here to connect the wire from the HiKeit controller and drag it up under the console, under that center console, under the shift boot. So I need to tape the wire that I'm dragging through under the shift boot and attach it to my fish tape. I'm going to wrap it first in a little piece of plastic just to keep that connector from getting gummed up with the tape. Once you're all taped up, simply pull that cord right through under the shifter cable, route the wires where you want them, and voila, there you have it. It's right there where you need it. Now, go ahead and plug that in, and you're going to have plenty of extra cord. Feed it back through, route it to wherever you want it, and you're done. After you get the controller mounted, put everything back together, start the Jeep up, and away you go. Now, I put that in the automatic mode, and I am putting it in the manual transmission mode here. No fuss, no muss. Nothing on the dash. We look good to go. Already I could feel it is, oh yeah. Holy shit. Yeah. Much more response out of the throttle. A lot more response out of the throttle. And this is actually still in automatic mode. This is not in the race mode, I guess you call it. Barely have my foot in it. Barely even have my foot in this thing. Wow. That's just crazy for this thing. Alright, I gotta say, this Jeep has never, ever performed like this. The HiKeit X9 has a whole bunch of different modes. Let's take a quick look at them right now. So I've got the HiKeit in the automatic and manual transmission mode. Whole bunch of different modes. You could go to the race mode, and that is high 1 through 9. So I could bring that down. Automatic, economy mode. There's the off mode, which puts it in bypass, and that's just like your normal throttle. And then cruise mode, which is a little bit of throttle, not a whole bunch. All of these are 1 through 9. And I'm normally leaving this thing in automatic, and automatic seems to work fantastic. That is my installation of the HiKeit X9. This thing has really been a huge difference in the throttle response on my 08 JK here. It took it from mild-mannered to a monster for a Jeep. I have all the power I want on takeoff. It's a little less noticeable when you're at, say, freeway speed and you just hit the gas. But I'll tell you what, gears 1 through 5 just taken off. Huge difference. Very impressed. Again, the HiKeit X9. I got mine for 130 bucks from the promo JK Gear and Gadgets. I know the HiKeit folks are going to have some other kind of promo running, so I totally recommend this thing. I've been using it now for about a week, and it has been a huge improvement. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Catch you next time. Peace.